piazza here, you go, they pursue children. Where's your casa to I? Where's your package?
Hello my people, how na dey? Now see this video one I just watch so where they play under this video. I will put up for Namona listing because I said that they speak Italian language for there, so I will try to explain to those of una wey not they hear Italian language. So this lady wey dey here, our Nigerian lady, he carry a Pikin go guiding where children they play. So this man wey be say he did there, that oyibo man, that man come tell am say make dem no dey dirty the, that is the guiding wey be say dem for dey play for there. So this woman say this man no be the first time wey dey do am, say anytime wey be say im dey for this guiding, this man must come dey like dey tell dem say make una clean here, make una do this one, make una do that one. So now this woman come call chain follow am today, come dey tell am say here na guiding, here na commune, na council, na im dey clean all this place. So why e be say anytime wey you see children for this guiding, you dey almost dey come dey attack us wey dey here? Why e be like that? Here no be your house, no be here you dey sleep. So na the woman follow am, no be small thing o. My people, na true say some of our people, if dem carry children go guiding, you know, the thing wey children take play, all those maybe they give the brioche, all this biscuit, many things, dem go leave them for there. That one na truth. But sometimes e dey make the all those people dey vex. But maybe the man for like tell am, because e no be the first time, maybe e for like approach am, or e go tell commune, go tell council say see wetin dey go on for some this area. If those people dem play finish, then they leave all those something for ground, you know, something like that. So but the way when the man take do am, I can't be like now understand people wey no like black, because not be the first time wey this woman say not be the first time. Even though say guiding not be person house, if you still your children still play finish, throw away something, you go pack am where they put dustbin dey, pack am put am for inside the dustbin for them, then you go, problem no dey. So the woman right also, okay, the woman right, even the man also right if you go look am, because really most of our people, they no dey stay line, they do all those things, say throw away dustbin for here, you know, they'll just throw away anywhere where they like. So then they try to make them maintain their city. It's just that two of them, they not can understand themselves. So now the woman cut and follow am, because he go say anytime when you see me for here, you must come. Now that one I can like pay the woman. Maybe if na another person can tell this woman say if una play finish, more na throw away all this thing wanna tell they play, or you know, because really our people, some of them they live am for there. If you read some guiding, it go look like wetin they know they use again, you know. Now there, now children supposed to play for there, but the wetin the mother they do, wetin they take play, they throw away something, you go pack them. Now you as a mother, you go pack and go throw away for dustbin where they put for there. Most of our people, they know they care. So this woman come dey insult the man, even another woman come still come. Where this woman for made mistake, if I just tell her truth, e go just dey talk to her direct. I know say we they make all this mistake, they call via funk, you know, via F, you know, all those things we they use and well, and it's not good for the law. You feel go for it because it not insult you. You feel just a battle that thing, say here not be your house. If we play finish, we go throw away the dirty. Make I put the video, my people, make una listen. Una bye bye for now.
You see this man, anytime when person dey here, now he dey cause casino for here. Every time when person dey here, now this man they always dey cause casino. Questo non a casa tua, Capi? Tutto la bambino, tu non c'è bambino sta a casa. Questo non a casa tua, questo piazza, capisci? Basta, questo piazza, sempre resistimo, sempre cattivo, tu cattivo, tu cattivo. Children go dey play, this man go just come piazza here, he go dey pursue children. Questo a casa tua, questo non parcheggio, questo non a casa tua, capisci? Questo piazza. Questo piazza, questo a casa tua, vai a casa,
tu la devi
vai a casa,
vai nella tua città,
sempre comune, questo comune, tu non hai a casa fuori, a tua. Perché non sporcare? Tutto la bambino. Tutto la bambino.
E che significa? Vieni a sporcare
tutto
la piazza.
Tutto la bambino. C'è la notte il bambino fa la casa? Tu non c'è bambino nella casa? Sempre cattivo! Vaffanculo! Mamma mia!
Guarda qua, che stanno combinando, guarda qua.
Chiama carabinieri, sempre tu chiama carabinieri!
Vattene a casa tua.
Questo non è a casa tua!
Non possiamo stare qua in mezzo.
Vaffanculo! Mamma mia!
Se io loro due hanno torno,
Every time, no military, this man go, they call police because black, they come here. You they crazy? I don't go leave her. I tell you, say this man go come here. She I don't go tell you.
Devi venire qua in mezzo a sporcare.
Resist. Vaffanculo. Chiama carabinieri. Sì, chiama carabinieri. Chiama. Vaffanculo di merda. Puttana. Sempre cattiva, sempre. Tu testa non buono. Questo a casa tua. Questo piazza. Questo piazza, questo non a casa tua! Via a casa! Va a casa! Questo a casa tua? Questo lui a casa tua? Vaffanculo! Sempre racist, I go kill all of them! Vaffanculo di merda! Puttana! Sì! C'è lo bambino,
Però noi paghiamo, per tenere pulito, paghiamo 5 euro ogni volta.
Perché 5 euro? Questo è tutto, questo piazza, Questo è tutto giocato da bambino. Na comune de métier here, comune. Very nonsense man. I tell you, say this man go come. Shall I not tell you? You dey crazy. Idiot. See am, as una just see am like this so. Very racist human being. Affanculo di merda. Va a casa, signora, va a casa, mamma mia. Va a casa, signora. Questo non è a casa tua. Ok? This is not your house. Yeah, this is not your house. Sempre cattivo tutto. Sì, sempre cattivo. Affanculo.